Let's assemble a map of the excavation site. Ready. Let's look for dinosaur remains. We did it! Let's clean the findings. Let's swipe along the findings with a brush to clean them. Let's wash the findings. Let's run the spray bottle over the findings to wash them. Don't stop. We've defined the excavation site. We need to assemble a truck. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the truck. Keep it up. Let's set up camp and get our tools for excavation ready. We need to wash the truck. Ready. We need to assemble a red off-roader. Hooray! Let's fuel the red off-roader. That's all. Let's excavate the skeleton of a Tyrannosaurus. We did it! Let's wash the red off-roader. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the crane. Keep it up. First, let's fuel the crane. Hooray! Let's load up the packed bones of a Tyrannosaurus and take them for the examination. We need to wash the crane. Done! We need to assemble the skeleton of a Tyrannosaurus. dinosaur to life. This is a Tyrannosaurus. Go on! Tyrannosaurus had very sharp eyesight, a good sense of smell, and large teeth. The Tyrannosaurus was about 5 meters tall, which is like a 2-story house. Tyrannosaurus is the largest predator that ever lived on Earth. We've learned a lot about the king of all dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus. Let's assemble a map of the excavation. Amazing! Let's look for dinosaur remains. Don't stop! Let's clean the findings. Let's swipe along the findings with a brush to clean them. Let's wash the findings. Let's run the spray bottle over the findings to wash them. You're doing really great. We've defined the excavation site. We need to assemble a mini pickup. Hooray! Let's fuel the mini pickup. Ready. Let's drill through the first row of rocks. Let's wash the mini pickup. Keep it up. Let's assemble a big off-roader. That's all. First, let's fuel the big off-roader. Let's head off to the excavation of Triceratops eggs. We did it! We need to wash the big off-roader. Ready. We need to assemble a pickup truck. Done! First, let's fuel the pickup truck. Keep up the good work. Let's load the eggs of Triceratops and send them to the lab. We need to wash the pickup truck. Done! We need to assemble the egg of a Triceratops. Keep up the good work. And now let's bring a dinosaur to life. These are Triceratopses. Triceratopses were plant-eating animals. Their mouth looked more like a parrot beak than jaws of an animal. The name Triceratops means three-horned face, and it used those horns for protection. Triceratopses were herd animals, so they cared for and protected each other. We brought to life one of the most recognizable dinosaurs, Triceratops.